Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of T? Now read with me, hooray! When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. T is for tiger, roaring loud and strong. T is for t-shirt, I wear it all day long. T is for tap, drip drip sing along. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds. Hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Aftab Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.